What you watching?
Every.
Is it a YouTube channel?
Mm-hmm.
You guys like to watch YouTube,
It's
huh?
my favorite movie.
It's your favorite? Do you have a whole bunch of favorites?
Mm-mm. This is the only one.
That's your favorite, huh? Hey, Gabe, what you got?
Box.
A box. A big box. Looks heavy.
It weighs as much as I do, and he just carried me in. Can you believe that?
So, what's in the box? Is it a surprise?
We should see, but I'll tell you, it's from Morel Industries in Washington.
Woohoo! We should take it over to the boat before we open it.
We gotta carry it again?
We gotta carry it again.
Gabe, can you help? All right.
All right, let's everybody get ready to go.
Where?
We'll go open that box at the boat and
We
see
stay
what's in
here.
it. You want to stay here? It's for all of us. Are you watching YouTube also?
Right now I'm playing a game.
Playing a game. Okay, it's time to go.
Can I bring the computer?
What are you doing today, Katie? I'm just playing around with the paint. And some watercolors. Alright, let's get ready to go. Whoop whoop. Let's go open that box and see what's in it. What was that?
What's in it?
We're gonna go to the boat and see.
The scarf.
What you putting a coat on for?
It's
And a
freezing
scarf?
out there.
It's freezing out there. I think we've lost our Alaska card.
They have.
Were you saying you're
I
not-
still have mine.
So what's the temperature out there?
110, I think. I don't know what the temperature is.
Let's see, Katie.
Ooh, Katie's
61.
But feels like 59.
Mama!
Definitely lost our Alaska card.
Mama!
I wouldn't say it's freezing, but it's
61.
sweater
Katie's
weather.
drawing.
Yep, she's doing it. She's doing a good job. Okay, let's go. See, Abigail's look at her.
That big old
Yeah, but
winter
I've
coat.
never got the Alaska card.
When we get this
Are you cold now, dear?
No.
Is it cold out here, guys?
Yeah.
Do you see any goosebumps? Huh?
Not yet.
See?
It's a little windy out here at the boat.
Hey, Liberty, will you push that out to me?
This?
Yeah.
So what do you think's in here, guys?
It's not heavy.
It's not heavy. Good. I'm glad you don't think so.
Look.
Come on, push it, Abigail.
What is that package?
Push.
Push, push, push. It's got to come
Don't
clear
kick
out to
it.
the end.
That was gonna work.
What is in these?
What do you think is in there?
What's in this? Books? Wait,
Do you think they're books for school?
is it from Sabrina?
It's not from Sabrina. What do you guys think that it is?
Metal.
You think it's metal, Gabe?
It's heavy. I think that it's books.
You think it's books?
Can I open this one?
Do you have any idea what it is, Abigail?
Toys.
Toys?
I want toys. Can I do it?
It's boat toys. All
Can
right.
you do it without cutting yourself?
Toys. I want to try. Can I try?
Right there.
I want to try. Can I try, Daddy?
Okay.
Can I
Right there.
Can I try?
Right there.
Can I do it?
There's two of them. So what is this?
Cardboard?
Cardboard? Oh, look at that.
That's metal. That
Now the
metal's
question
not
is,
Which one is it?
which one is this? Old or new?
Well, that looks like it has an old cutlass bearing in it.
This one is silver. That's what it is silver.
silver.
I'm not sure how that's gonna work.
Mom, I'm opening this one.
Alright.
In this one, so what's in this box?
Oh, it's gold.
It's gold! And that one, so here's how we tell which one's which. See how this has a new cutlass bearing?
This one has an old one.
And let's see. That one's got an old one. So,
These are boat toys.
And a crack in it.
and let's see.
Where they had to fix it.
Right there is where it was broken. Yep,
So
now we have
nice.
silver.
Don't get silver on your
Silver
hands,
on
please,
you
girl.
too.
What's this?
This is the strut that holds the prop shaft in line and stable for the prop to turn. Well, we had never been able to like start the motor, so we didn't know anything about this when it was towed over here. And I went underneath diving to clean stuff off, and I tried to move the prop, and I couldn't move the prop, but the water was too murky. I couldn't see anything. All I could do was by feel. And so when we pulled the boat out, we discovered the strut had been broken, and it had pushed the prop shaft over, so it was forced up against the boat, and it wouldn't let it rotate. Oh, that's heavy.
That doesn't look heavy.
So they had to take ours that was bent and broken, and they straightened it out, and they welded it back together. Then they used it to make a form to pour a new one. And then they drilled the hole out, put a new cutlass bearing in it, and so now it's here for us to dry fit and make work on the boat again.
So the big question will be whether or not it fits.
Daddy, that goes on that.
And whether it's lined up.
Right.
And how much work we'll have to do to make that happen, because ours was pretty bent out of shape. And so
Mama,
he said, I think, quote, "It's giving us fits,"
Mama.
when they were trying to make it work.
All right. Well, let's see how it goes.
Mommy, is that for the motor?
That is the strut that holds our prop in place.
Prop.
Oh.
It goes this way.
That looks heavy.
Yeah. So we're going to put this on here and align it until everything lines up, so we can put the prop shaft in and hook everything back up and make it go in the water really fast.
So now we can put our electric engine in after we get that
Yes. Yep.
done. So that's the next step to putting in our electric
Yep. This has to be in first, and then we can make the engine, between the two of them, make them fit together.
Woohoo!
Woo!
Are you excited that we're going to get our engine in?
Yeah.
Then we can get back in the water, huh?
Mama,
What?
can I use these at the trailer to make a little pony house for our ponies?
I don't know. We'll figure out. What are you doing?
Boxes that they made a box for.
You carry that up the ladder yourself? Maybe you should have somebody else do that. Todd?
I can carry
Did
it.
you say something to me?
Yeah, I said maybe you shouldn't be doing that.
Yeah, I don't
Especially-
want them to drop it and break it, because this cost me $2,000.
Make sure you be sure you
Be
Why am I the only one who's like...
Be sure
Okay.
you.
Here we go.
Be sure you.
Like
And subscribe.
and leave us a comment.
Bye!
Where are you? Yep.
Where are we going out to eat?
We're gonna go out to eat. What would you like to go out to eat to?
Going to grill.
Golden Corral. Ready to go, Dad?
Yes, I'm ready to go.